We out and about today, making a few runs, stops, errands like we always do on Saturday when we pick up shoes. Right now we at Dollar Tree, looking for what you need? What you looking for?
Goodie bags.
Goodie bags for the students.
Yeah, my kids are getting ready to take their standardized test, so I'm making them little goodie bags with snacks and stuff in it for them, you know, to keep them fed, motivated, with little words of encouragement. So we're trying to find the goodie bags so that way we can put the stuff in it.
Yeah, as you saw earlier, we picked up the 11s. Ended up hitting so many pairs. I'll talk about it whenever we get back to the house. But we picked up 2 pairs in store, so we're gonna look at them whenever we get to the house. But yeah, we're gonna bring y'all along, see whatever we end up doing. And then yeah, wrap this video up, let y'all go about y'all day. So let's go. Alright y'all, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Look, this is 2 days later. I'm slacking. Look, we back at the crib now. We gonna take a look at these 72 and 10s. By the time you watching this, I was gonna do a pickup vlog on them, but I was like, whatever, I'll leave it for the next video. We got the military black 4s dropping this Saturday, so I'm gonna make up for that vlog. I'm gonna make up for that video for y'all because this is, look, it's like 2 days later. You feel me? It should have been posted 2 days ago, but today we also picked up some Yeezy slides. We hit on in-store raffle for some Yeezy slides. So as you can see there, it's not my size. I don't need any more Yeezy slides, so this is for somebody else. We'll take a look at those last if you want to stick around to the end of the video. But y'all came here because y'all seen the 72 and 10s, the tag and what it reads there. So I'm gonna pop that top. You already know, black paper, black trash bag paper. And then, voila. Now, off the bat, just straight from the jump, I just want to let y'all know right now, if you haven't bought a shoe, if you haven't bought any shoes in a long time and you looking for that shoe to be that summer shoe, I'm trying to tell you right now, this is going to be the shoe that you want to get, y'all. This is just an all-around nice shoe. Like, you got that tumble leather there. Like, it's very soft to the touch. As you can see there, hints of red with the Jumpman logo, and in the back, the 2-3 on the back is like it's like a hard plastic. It's not like printed on. Red Jumpman on the back. That back tab is gonna be suede. The insole there, yeah, got the red Jumpman with the side sticker on the inside, and then the bottom soles. These aren't glow in the dark soles, but these are like a creamy white outsole there. I honestly do enjoy retro 11 lows. Out of all the Jordan lows that they have, you know, Jordan 1 lows, Jordan, you know, they have Jordan 2 lows, you know, 3's already lows. They have different variations where it's normally a high top and then you make a low top version of the shoe. But I feel like out of all of them, this is like the best executed like sneaker, just in my opinion. This is gonna be a great shoe for the summertime. If y'all are looking towards getting a pair of these, it shouldn't be too hard. If you want to walk into your local Foot Locker, JD Sports, Champs, I'm pretty sure the kids' Foot Lockers and all of that, they should have almost a full-size run. I wouldn't sleep on this shoe. If you're watching this and you still hesitant about it, look, I'm gonna let you know right now, this is a nice shoe. I don't feel like I really personally need them. I do have Brother 11s. And I have another pair of 11 lows, but I do like this colorway. If they sit long enough, I may just keep it personal. But this is the men's pair. We're gonna take a look at the comparison to the grade school pair. So this is the box that is gonna come in. So it's there. It has like an open up lid instead of the lid coming all the way off. You do get that black paper on the inside. And same concept with the shoes. Normally with grade school shoes, they butcher the quality, but these, the grade school pairs, I must say, they definitely hold up. You still get that tumble leather on that tongue. So for any of you small footers out there that wear grade school sizes, I would not be, you know, I wouldn't be too alarmed about the quality because they normally butcher the quality. This is a size 7Y. This is Naveen's size. Yeah, quality is great on these. They still did you guys right with the back tab, so that's still gonna be a hard plastic. Suede. Now I do not have the 72 and 10 highs, but I didn't realize that with the 72 and 10s, like the patent leather is kind of like see-through. Like, I don't know if it's the design of the patent leather or I feel like it's the design of the patent leather. Y'all let me know in the comment section below if I could get it close enough, like you could see like the tumble leather through the patent leather, and you can't see that on any other like Jordan 11. Like if I show you the Bred 11s, like it's straight black. Like you don't got anything. It's black shiny compared to this. You can kind of tell that this has the design on the inside and this one doesn't. So I think that's pretty cool, in my opinion. But like I said, I have Breds. I wore them once. I like to keep them on ice, you know what I'm saying? This is probably gonna be my favorite shoe of all time. This is my grill. Just growing up, I always wanted a pair of Breds, and then Naveen ended up getting a pair for me on my birthday like 2-3 years ago. I want to say 2020, yeah, so 2 years ago. I appreciate her for that. But yeah, Bred 11s, 72 and 10s. I mean, they're both nice shoes, but do I need both? Y'all let me know in the comment section, and maybe I'll consider it. Cause I did get 2 pair of these. I meant to tell y'all earlier, cause normally when it comes to Foot Locker, the Champs, Kids Foot Locker, all of those apps, they're pretty much like all combined, like the same kind of company. So like same set of points for each different platform. And normally when I get a Foot Locker W, whether it's in store or whatever, normally Champs will automatically give me an L. So like I'll enter in for 11.5 on Foot Locker, and then if I hit on Foot Locker, Champs will automatically give me an L. When I tell you, I got another, because I enter for ship to me, obviously. I got a pair of these shipped to me, I think from Champs, and Champs also gave me another grade school, one of these, grade school 72 and 10. They also gave me the Neapolitan Mocha 3s. So whenever those come in, I'm gonna get a video on that. So y'all gonna have a little bit of content coming up from me. And I also hit on the Yeezy 500 and the granite colorway. So we gonna take a look at those, unbox those whenever those come in. Take a look at them, see what they talking about. But hopefully they keep that same energy for these military black 4s. Today they did wristbands for DSG, which is Dick's Sporting Goods. Y'all let me know what y'all wanna see. This month is gonna be a crazy, hectic month for sneakers. They got a lot of shoes coming out. We plan on getting all of them, hopefully. Like I said, I did pick up some Yeezy slides today. It's gonna be my first pair of Yeezy slides that I hit from Foot Locker. So it's the pure colorway, size 10. You know, if you haven't seen my size guide in these, you might wanna go ahead and check that out. If you still struck out and took an L, this was the only pair I was able to get. I took L's on everything else. So yeah, Yeezy slides. But yeah, more videos coming soon. I appreciate y'all for still watching me, even though I'm days late. I appreciate y'all for that, because y'all could have been like, oh, I'm not watching that. I'm not watching this. It's not as eventful as the last vlog, but you know, I'm gonna make up for it, y'all. Y'all just work with me. But it's your boy Moody. I appreciate y'all for watching once again. I'm gonna check y'all out in the next video. I'm gonna see y'all soon. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna get on out of here. I got stuff to do, y'all, so peace.